Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use SUMIF and COUNTIF function with the indirect function in a simple way. So you can use this for any of your requirement in Excel. So we'll start. So here I have I have typed these numbers in the column A, and I have put start row as 2 and end row as 10. So this is the row number 2 and row number 10, and I have selected the number greater than 5. So, and here I have put the function. This function I can copy to my description in the video, so you can copy and try this. So it's very easy function, but it's very useful uh, when you use Excel when you're having many number of data. So here how we do is first what happens is this find out the sum if find out the numbers which is greater than 5 within this range. So we see 23 is the sum total, and we'll check manually here. These are the numbers which are more than 5. So you will see the below these numbers. So below the sum is 23, right? And if you want to find how many numbers, like the count, if you check the count function here, so what I do is I take this function to here. So I need to find out the count value. So we check countif function like this, count if, right? So values in we check f2. F2 here. If you change the formula accordingly, the a should be, it's correct anyway. The c3, not c3, this should be c2, and this one should be d2, and this one should be the f3. So that will get the numbers based on these cell values. I will show you in within few minutes, within next few seconds, how this function works. So here I change it to COUNTIF. Likewise, so you will see there are numbers, three numbers which are more than greater than 5. So we'll change the number and see what will happen. So we'll put the number 9 here. So there's no number more than 5. Yeah, there's a number equal to 9 but not more than 9. So we'll put 8 here and we check. See, only one number, this one is there, and which is number 9. The total sum is 9, and only one number here we can find out. So we'll change the row numbers here. So say start row is 2 here, and we'll check the end row, we'll put 5. So you see that from here to here there's no number greater than 8. So this is a simple method. You can use this function in many places. Likewise, so what I can do is I will copy this formula to you, to the description here. You can copy and try that out. Just comment below to if you have any questions regarding this function. So thank you so much.